Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth to a Hyundai Genesis. Start by powering the car to accessory mode and enabling Bluetooth on your phone. Open the head unit Bluetooth menu, choose Search or Add Device, and wait for the vehicle name to appear on your phone. Tap the vehicle name, confirm any passcode shown on both screens, and accept prompts to allow contacts and media. Test audio and call functions once paired. Start at the infotainment settings and open the phone or Bluetooth section in a warm, easy tone. Choose Add New Device or Search for devices so the head unit becomes discoverable to your phone. On your phone, tap the listed vehicle name when it appears and check that the passcode matches the one shown on the car screen. Accept prompts on both devices, grant permissions for contacts and media, and finish with a quick audio test. If pairing fails, stay calm and try simple fixes that usually work. Restart your phone and cycle the infotainment power by turning the car off and on, then retry pairing. Remove old paired devices from the head unit if it lists many connections, and rescan. If problems persist, check for software updates on your phone and consult a dealer for vehicle firmware updates. Always reattempt pairing after each change and test calls to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.